Everybody keeps talking about finding houses, but the biggest opportunities right now can be found in land parcels that nobody's talking about. And with PropStream, you can literally find thousands of them, underpriced, off market, and land that nobody wants, and they're ready to sell today. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process on how you can go out and find this land using a simple software, and you'll never have to touch a house. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. Welcome to this video. So look, what we're going to talk about in this video is how to use a simple software called PropStream. Probably something you're familiar with if you've been around real estate for a little while. If not, it's a really easy to use software that I'm going to share with you on how to use in order to be able to find land deals or land opportunities right in your own area. And then I'm going to show you how to be able to contact the property owners of those land opportunities in your area to see if you can negotiate some type of deal with them. So that's exactly what we're going to cover. And the reason why I'm going to show you exactly how to do this is because recently we've been talking a lot about farm hacking opportunities, farming and land deals on this particular channel. And a lot of people have shown interest in being able to find land. And I want to share with you some of the tools and resources that you can use in order to be able to get that done. So again, what we're going to cover is how to find land that can potentially be overlooked, how to filter PropStream so you can find highly motivated property owners, and how to use PropStream in order to skip trace leads so you can narrow in on the data that you need in order to be able to contact these highly motivated property owners as well. Now, why do you want to focus on land deals right now? Well, it's simple. Some of us might be interested in residential real estate, but with land, you don't have tenants, you don't have toilets, you don't have termite problems, you don't have repairs, and there's huge profits when it comes to land. Now, if you are interested in building a structure on your land, that's perfectly fine. Maybe you're interested in farm hacking, where you can literally do farming activities on the land and the property will literally pay for itself. So either way, you can't lose when it comes to investing in land. So what I want to do is share with you how to search for those opportunities again, and we're going to use a simple software called PropStream in order to be able to do that. Now, like I said, PropStream is definitely one of the tools that you want to keep in your arsenal, and they happen to be the sponsor of this video. But what I want to do is share with you how to use PropStream in order to find the right types of land deals, so you can see for yourself all of the land opportunities that's available for you through this particular software. So why don't we head over to the back office of my PropStream account and I'll show you exactly what to do there. All right, so we're here in the back office of my PropStream account. And one thing I want to mention is whether you're looking for vacant land, residential land, or agricultural land, I know we've been talking about farm hacking a lot on my channel. This is an absolute great tool to use in order to be able to find that land. So if you're looking to wholesale land, you can come into PropStream, you can find the land leads, you can skip trace the leads, which we'll talk about in just a minute, and then ultimately you can find the cash buyers for those leads as well. Another thing you can do is find residential land. One thing that we talk about in farm hacking is rather than going after expensive agricultural land, what you do is you go after residential land, meaning there's one house on the property, but there's a lot of acreage that comes along with the house. You'll get a better deal if you're able to get residential land, meaning one house on a property with, let's say, 10 acres or more, or 5 acres, or whatever the state requirements are for you to be considered a farm in your local area, and then converting that residential land into agricultural land once you purchase it. Or you can simply go right after distressed agricultural land and see if you can find a deal that way. But there's a lot of different ways that you can use PropStream in order to be able to find the land. And that's exactly what I want to show you in this video. So for the purposes of this particular training, what I want to do is go up to where it says enter county, city, or zip codes. What I would personally do, just to get a broad spectrum of what's available in your area, is maybe search by county rather than city or zip code. Because if you search by city or zip code, it can narrow down a search and you'll be limited with the information that you're able to pull. So let's just say, for example, in the search bar, we type in Guilford County. And that'll be Guilford County, North Carolina. You can search for Alamance County. You can search for any county that you want. Let's say we wanted to go to Atlanta, for example, and I wanted to search for Fulton County, Georgia. So in Fulton County, Georgia, you can see there's a lot of properties that you can select from. You can search on the MLS, 12,592 properties. There's 374 foreclosures, 374 auctions, 488 bank-owned properties, but you got 62, almost 63,000 cash buyers there. You got properties with liens, you got vacant properties, et cetera, et cetera. But the real magic happens in PropStream when you use the filters, right? So now we're in Fulton County, Georgia, right? And what we're going to do is click the filters. And once you click on the filters, you'll see, again, there's a lot of different segments that you can search from. But what we can do is look for vacant land, right? And if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see that, I'm not sure if you can see it over here, but there's 29,193 properties available that are considered vacant land. Now, what we're going to do, again, if you're looking for land to farm hack, if you're looking for land to flip, or you're looking for residential land in general, what I want to do is search for, let's say, residential vacant land. And you can even search for multifamily vacant land if you wanted to, maybe vacant land in general. And let's go down to show all, and you'll see that there's a lot of different types of land that you can look for. But let's say you're looking to farm hack. You can go and click on agricultural unimproved vacant land as well. And just with these parameters here, you'll see that there's 25,357 properties available. Now in PropStream, when you use the plan that costs about $199 per month, to me is well worth it, because they allow you up to 50,000 properties that you can search for and 50,000 properties that you can skip trace as well. On some of the cheaper plans, you're not going to get as much data readily available for you. You might get, let's say, 5,000 records rather than 50,000 records. And even if you use services like ListSource, I know ListSource, they're going to charge you, 10 to 15 cents per lead. So if you were to pull, let's say, 50,000 records and you multiply that by, let's say, 15 cents per lead, I mean, you're talking about spending $500 to $7,500 per month just on data, when you can get that same exact data in PropStream for $199. So what I recommend you do is use a service like PropStream by clicking the link in the description box below and get the $199 plan. You can pull up to 50,000 records. That's all the data that you need in order to be able to find what you're looking for. If you can't find what you're looking for multiple times within a 50,000 lead span, then you need to change some things up. All right. But that's plenty of data for you in order to be able to do what you need to do. But 25,000 records, as you can see, if I go ahead and click on view properties, you can see again, 25,357 records. What I'm going to do is select that list. I'm going to click the drop down menu and click on save. And as you can see right here in this particular plan, you can do up to 7,000 properties at a time. All right. So I would select 7,000 properties, let's just say, and I would save that to a list. And then I'll do it multiple times until I get to the 25,000. That might be 3.5 lists for me. But with the $199 plan, obviously, again, you can pull that many records and be able to do what you need to do in order to be able to get the data that you need. So once you save the list, let's just say I wanted to save it as, land deals in Fulton County, Georgia, or land leads in Fulton County, Georgia. I can click on save, and now it's telling me you have no remaining properties available until a certain date, which is perfectly fine. That's just a notification from the software. But now what I can do in order to get the information, I can go over to skip tracing in the side panel there. I can select contacts. I can click on the drop down up at the top, and now I can select land leads in Fulton County, Georgia. And now you can see all I got to do is go through the process in order to be able to get this stuff skip traced. All right. So when you skip trace, what it's doing is allowing you to pull not only accurate mailing addresses, but you're also pulling accurate phone numbers, emails, but you're also pulling accurate phone numbers and emails and other means in order to be able to contact the leads so that you can talk to the sellers in order to be able to get the deals. You want to start the conversation, and the more data that you have available to you, the better, because it makes it easier for you to be able to get in contact with these owners. Now, another thing you can do, just canceling out of that, another thing you can do is look at my properties. So these are all of the properties that I saved in Fulton County. Again, there's 25,000, but it only saved 174 for now. But again, you can pull up to 7,000 properties, but I have other lists that I pulled, and I was only allowed 7,000 this time around. Up to 50,000 once you are in the $199 per month plan. Okay. So again, just for example purposes, if I wanted to look through this particular list, I can get some information even if I didn't skip trace to contact the sellers as well. So let's look at the first property. You can see that this is a vacant plot of land. It's saying that it has about $230,000 in equity. So you got a high equity lead here. If I scroll down, you got the owner's information, direct residential communities of, White Water Creek Holdings. Here's their mailing address if I wanted to reach out to them. They're not on a do not call list, which is perfect. And there's some basic information in order for you to be able to reach out to the sellers. Now, I have on this particular list 174 of those leads. But again, with the $199 plan, you can pull up to 50,000. I'm limited only because I've pulled other lists before recording this actual video. So again, how can I use PropStream? In this case, I can use it to pull leads and then use it to skip trace those leads, pull data in order to be able to reach out to the sellers of properties, or property owners rather, in order to see if we can spark up a conversation to see if they want to sell and see if we can negotiate some type of deal. And that is exactly how you can use PropStream. Well, at least one of the ways you can use PropStream. I'll do future videos on other ways you can use PropStream as well. But in order to take advantage of this, all you got to do is click the link in the description box or in the first comment under this video. Be sure to take advantage of the trial. And honestly, for the amount of data that you're going to receive, the $199 plan is well worth it. So again, be sure to check the link in the description box if you want to check out PropStream. I highly recommend it. So I hope you were able to find value in this video. I hope you're able to use PropStream in order to be able to find the land opportunities that you're looking for. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment. Let me know what other questions you might have or what other types of videos you want to see on this channel. I can deep dive into it, maybe on one of the next videos that we put together. But also be sure to watch this video that just popped up where I'll show you how to find land and wholesale land for quick profits in today's market. See you on the next one. Take care.